Reusing proven content helps you optimize your course creation process, making it faster and simpler than before. Now you can import content from an existing course directly into another within the builder for a smoother experience. Let's learn how. Head to the Product Courses tab inside the Membership section and select the course you want to edit. Click plus Add Content, then select Import from another course. Select the course you want to take content from. This can be done for entire courses or selected items. Select the content you want to import, then click Import Selected Items or Import Entire Course if copying all modules. This allows you to bring in anything from a single lesson to a complete course structure, streamlining your course creation process and increasing consistency to provide a signature experience with space for variability. All imported items are added to the destination course and are ready for immediate editing. This helps you fully increase your efficiency when creating courses that share common topics. We hope you enjoy it.